Hi everyone, this is Irina again, and I want to share with you my project what I finished, and this is actually a clipboard altered. So I was using like a regular basic clipboard. This particular clipboard I pick up in Daiso. And the thing, I was talking with my partner, and she wants to have pink and white clipboard altered. So this is what I came with, and on the back it's very simple. It's plain. It's just white paper on the back, and here I was using, instead to use paper, because kind of like here I don't have big stock of the paper, but I do have good collections of any kind, beautiful fabrics. So I decided to use this fabric. It's actually very beautiful, very shabby, white and pink fabric. So instead of the paper, I was using this fabric. You can see it right here. Okay, I left like few spots just to be able to see. And then the clip themselves I covered with like with lace. And so I decided to put pin cushions, so she can put it on the wall, or she can like hang it on the wall, or just put it on the shelf, and she can use it like pin cushion. So I bought this beautiful frame. It was very ugly color, so I painted with gesso and then with white acrylic paint. And then, if you can see, this is actually kind of like velvet fabric. See, it's very beautiful, and it's not pink. It's not white. So right now you see white and that color. It's very beautiful color, kind of like light pale baby pink. So I was using this velvet fabric. I put this pearls around. And here on the bottom I put bouquet of like very bright pink color. So this particular flower I was making with paper. So it's regular pink paper, and then after when I cut and made it together, I just the center I was using center, like like you can buy cheap flour in Daiso or 99 cents, and I was using that center from plastic paper from flowers what I bought, and the flowers themselves I cut it and made it with pink fabric paper, and then I kind of like matched that to flowers, because I had only 2 flowers, but I need 3 or 4 minimum. So this is why I made this the biggest flower. Then I put this very pretty white flower here, and I cover spots. I put beads here, and it's beautiful lace and other flower lace. It's not lace. I think it was applique, and this is also applique. And these little flowers I made it with rhinestones. I had any kind different shapes of rhinestones, so I just put them together as brooch on the felt fabric, and then the compositions was made. I put all of them together in near the flowers. And this is what I had brooch. It's silver brooch with a big bling in the middle. Then I don't have this leftovers. I had this very pretty trim, and I put this flower bling here, and on that side, just to cover that green color a little bit, if you will see, I put this very beautiful lace. So this lace looks like that. It's actually very delicate fabric, and you can see through almost, so, but it's white. So I was using that type of lace here. And on the top you can see this is beautiful lace again. I had what is leftovers, and in the middle I just cut this little piece from here, and it's again I don't remember Primo or whatever roses is here. And this flower again I made myself from the same technique like this big flower. And this angel, actually it's completely white angel here, but I made it from my polymeric mold. It's polymer clay angel, and you can buy this kind like you know, any kind of embellishment. So what I do is sometimes when I have my hands on, or I buy something or somebody send it to me, so I made mold from that, and then I like to give more three-dimensionals of my polymer clay. So for example, this original angel should have flat wings, but I don't like when it's flat. So when I bake it, before to bake, I gave my to my all my polymer clays shape whatever I desire. Sometimes these shapes go according to the spot where it will be, so when I know if it's going to that spot, I kind of like shape this polymer clay, and only then I baked, so then I attach it to the spot. It fits perfectly. Yeah, so this is what my pink and white clipboard looks like, and I hope you guys like, and I hope my partner will like it. Awesome, and I wish you have a good day.